At Finatrack Global Ltd, we understand that your vehicle is more than just a means of transportation. It's an investment, a lifeline, and a crucial part of your daily life. That's why we're proud to offer you our industry-leading vehicle tracking services, tailored to meet your unique needs and budget. With Finatrack, you're in control. We've designed 4 distinct pricing plans that give you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. Plan 1. Pay an installation fee of just 10,000 Kenya shillings and an annual app subscription of 2,000 Kenya shillings. Top up your tracker's SIM card airtime at your convenience, and you're ready to hit the road with peace of mind. Plan 2. Also, at an installation fee of 10,000 Kenya shillings, with an annual app subscription of 3,000 Kenya shillings. Here's the bonus. We take care of topping up your tracker's SIM card airtime, so you don't have to worry about it. Plan 3. For those who prefer a one-time cost, pay an installation fee of 15,000 Kenya shillings with no annual app subscription fee. You'll manage your tracker's SIM card airtime, making it a perfect choice for those who love flexibility. Plan 4. The ultimate peace of mind. Pay an installation fee of 35,000 Kenya shillings with no annual app subscription fee. We'll handle the airtime top-ups for your tracker's SIM card, leaving you free to focus on what truly matters. At Finatrack Global Ltd, your security is our priority. With competitive pricing and tailored options, safeguarding your vehicle has never been easier or more affordable. Trust Finatrack to keep you on track. Visit us today at www.finatrackglobal.com or call us at 0723 645 810 to find the perfect plan for you.